Now we start the different type of vibration, and in a vibration, and we have studied the four types of vibration. Just studying the there are four types of vibration, and first one is just divide into two parts and then divide again in two parts. So first part is free and undamped vibration. Free undamped vibration. Second, free damped vibration. And third, force undamped, force undamped vibration. And third is force undamped vibration. And fourth is force damped vibration. There are the four types of vibration, and first let's discuss one by one and in different and with the equation, right equation. And in free undamped vibration, just this mass supported by anything, there's a string constant k, just free undamped vibration, only this. Okay, so just write the equation of this equation. Which force are acting here? First, spring force, suppose Fs plus inertia force F Fi is equal to 0. Equal to 0. So spring force is equal to, just write the different forces which are acting here. So spring force Fs is equal to k into u just displacement, u is nothing, this is this displacement. Okay, and where Fi inertia force, mass into acceleration, and Fd damped force nothing, this is the c damping coefficient into velocity. These are the representation u dot. This represents the velocity or velocity of movement only. Okay, and you first differentiate with the t. You got the velocity, displacement derivative. Differentiate with the time, you got the velocity, and again velocity you differentiate with the time, you got the acceleration. So mass into acceleration, the inertia force, and every damp force, c coefficient into velocity. So different forces are there. Now write the different forces. F spring force k into u, different spring force, and other mass inertia force. Inertia force means mass into acceleration. Just type is equal to 0, because 0 there is nothing, no force is acting here, so free undamped force. If here the force undamped force, where something force is acting, you write the equal to which are force is acting here. So this k into, just dividing the both side by the m, dividing the both side, divide by mass in both sides. In both sides. So we got the value k by m ut plus into 0 by m 0. So this is equal to 0. So just write this value is equal to omega square. Omega square. Just you write this ut plus omega square into ut is equal to 0. Just like differential equation, you solve the differential equation and will get the solution of this equation. So write this. So I assume the equation. I assume let ut is equal to a power lambda into t. Just write the equation. I assume the equation. So first derivative with respect to t. So what will get? T ut a lambda t into dt. Again differentiate with the write it. So again differentiate with t. So you got the value of ut is equal to a lambda square e के power lambda into t. So just put this value in equation 1. Suppose this is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. So we use that equation 1. So ut is equal to put this a lambda square e to power lambda into t plus omega square into ut ut का value, what is the unit value of ut? A k e to power lambda into t just equal to 0. So common part here a e to power lambda into t into lambda into t. Just what is the common here? Lambda square plus omega square is equal to 0. Suppose if you putting this value is 0 is equal to 0, so all parties assuming here is equal to 0, first 0, what will you get? So equate lambda plus omega square is equal to 0. So what will get here? Lambda square is equal to minus omega square. If root under minus, sorry, just you write by the pause of video. So again lambda, I can write lambda is equal to root under minus omega square. In root under omega minus 1, it means you write the value I square in the root of I square omega square. I omega, this is complex number unit. So lambda is equal to plus minus I into omega. Lambda is equal to plus minus I into omega. If putting the value of I into omega, just write the equation. So I into omega ut equal to theta in the form of sin theta, just write the a cos omega t cos omega t plus b1 a1 b1 sin 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 omega sin omega t, also write the plus a2 cos omega t minus b2 sin omega t. So b2 sin omega t a2, just common part here a1 minus a2 a1 a2 cos omega t minus b1 cos omega t. So write the value of this. a1 minus a2 cos omega t plus b1 minus b2 sin omega t. So just these are constant, so I can assume a cos omega t plus b sin omega t. So you write the value ut is equal to this equation. So again just put the value of t is equal to 0. You put the t is equal to 0, you got the ut is equal to u naught and again differentiate with t. So velocity is equal to minus a sin omega t into omega. So plus b omega cos omega t. Just put t value is equal to 0. If putting the value of t is equal to 0, so you got the value u t is equal to u naught this value. So write this and equal to 0. So you put the t is equal to 0, sin t is equal to 0, sin 0 value 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. So b omega is equal to u naught. B omega is equal to u naught. So value of b is equal to velocity divided by omega, and again value of a, if put the value of a is t is equal to 0, u2 is equal to u naught. So value of a and this is equal to 0. If put the sin omega t sin 0 is equal to 0. So a is equal to u naught. You got the two different value, two value of, so now solution if u cos omega t plus u naught omega sin omega t. This is the solution part. You got, and I assume u naught is equal to x cos phi. just city by omega is equal to x sin phi. So this is nothing, this is the phase difference angle, phase angle. So just divided by this, suppose 1, suppose 2, 2 divided by 1, you got the tan phi is equal to 2 divided by 1 means this part is upper, so u by omega and u naught. So tan phi is equal to tan omega tan inverse ut by omega into u naught. So it is clear, this is the phase difference, you write. And now equation 1 and equation 2 just square and add. Equation 1 and equation 2 just square it and add it. 1 square plus equation 2 square. Equation 1 का square and 2 का square. You got the value u naught square plus u square by omega square is equal to x square. So x square because sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You remember? So x is equal to root under u naught का square plus u square by omega square. Okay, this is the amplitude of, this is amplitude value. So you write just write the value of phi and x. What is the value of x? Phi is called, just write phi is equal to phi is equal to phi is equal to phi is called angle difference. Phi is called angle difference. Phi is called angle difference. Sorry, phi is called angle of phase difference. Angle of phase difference. Angle of phase difference which the difference in a phase of displacement, difference in the phase of displacement and velocity. So equal to u मतलब x cos phi, x cos phi cos omega t plus x sin phi sin omega t. So you remember x is common here, so x is common and cos omega t minus phi. This is the unto u. So what is the value? What is the x? X is the peak amplitude. What is x? X is peak amplitude. So x is peak amplitude. Just stand by the equation. Not equation on the graph. So figure not just in this there is the time in this axis is time and displacement u naught in a free and damped. So this is continuously going. And in next video we understand the free damped vibration. Free damped vibration in next video. So